Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm Mieko. Today we are going to do reformer exercise on the mat for advance. Let's start. Lay down your back. Alright, find yourself center, tailbone to head, nice and tall. We start with both legs at tabletop. Both hands behind your head. Breathe in here. As exhale, coming up to abdominal curl. Leave your upper torso stay here, and you're going to both knee to chest and back to tabletop. Breathe in, tabletop. Breathe out. Bring your knee to chest. Keep your elbow neutral position, not too much closer or not wide. Feel your shoulder blade off from floor. 2 more times. Last one. Back to tabletop. Right arms up to ceiling. As exhale, coming up toward to your left. Reach your hands and come back to center. Breathe out. If you want to, each time you can rest your head center. And if you want to go harder, keep your head up. Depend on how you feel, how your neck feels. Last one more time. From here, we go pause, pause, pause. 2 more. Hold. Bring your right hands behind your head. Left arms are up. Reach to the right. Breathe in. Squeeze your legs together. 2 more times. And last one. Hold here. And we go. Pause. Pause. 3, 2, and 1. Both hands behind your head. And relax your head. Hug your knee. And we are going to straight to 100. Tabletop, arms up. Breathe in. As exhale, coming up. And both legs 45 degrees. Pump your arms from your shoulder blade. Breathe out. Breathe in 5 times. Breathe out 5 times. If you want to challenge, lower your legs. If you want to go easy, legs up to 90. 3 more set. Choose what you want. Stabilize your head. Last one. And relax. Woo! That always feels great, right? Now we are going to jackknife. Both legs are reached to 90 degrees. From here, breathe in. As exhale, slowly peel your spine one by one. Lower your legs and lift your legs from your glutes and hamstrings. And slowly spine going down to the floor. Feel your arms. And bring your legs to 45. We do 3 more. 90 degrees. Roll over. Lower your legs. Lift it. Going down. Here is a challenge. One by one. Your spine. Feel whole body. Inner thighs working. Triceps. Let's do one more time. And then bring your legs all the way down slowly, slowly. No arch your back. And relax. Arms overhead. Roll up one time. And stretch your back. Now we are going to side plank star. Good. You can be arms straight, bend the elbow up to you. Top arms going up, top legs under your hip bone. This is your start. Okay, we go 5 times. Up and down. 3, 4, 5. Here's a challenge coming. You're gonna extend the arms and legs. Keep point your toe, coming forward. Just 3 times. 2 more. We can do it. Woo. Last one. We did it. Come back center, pivot to plank position. Now right leg up, hover, and move your body back and forth twice. Switch. Keep head in the line. Last one more time. And both feet down to plank. Stay here for 5 more seconds. 4, 3, 2, and knees down. Child's pose. Now we are going to rocking. Okay. Lay on your stomach. Grab your ankle from outside. Activate the hamstring and glute. Extension your spine, look straight. Try not move the head. Keep this nice shape. And you're gonna go rock, rocking, rocking your body. Nice. 3, eyes straight up. 2, 1, and relax. Another child pose. Stretch your back. And we are going to other side. Start. You ready? Okay, let me see this side. Top arms, top legs, and you go to 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come back. Now you're gonna extend the arms and legs and then coming forward. Ooh. 2 more. We can do it. Last one. Come back center, plank. Good. And this time again, one leg up and back and forth. Switch. 2 more set. Plank, such a whole body workout. I love it. Last one. Come back here. Let's go push up 5 times. Finish strong. 5. You can be knee down if you want. 3. 2 more. Last one. And knee down. Child pose. Whew. How did you feel? That was a reformer exercise for advance. If you want to, you can check another my exercise videos. Thank you for joining me. See you next time.